How to gift friends in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can gift different gifts and rewards to other players and friends. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right hand side, you'll be able to see this friend list. Simply tap on this icon. So here it has been expanded. So these are my online friends. Now in order to give them the gifts, here you can see this yellow like button. So simply tap on this button. So you can easily gift different star stones like this. So you can do it for all of them. So now you have gifted them different gifts, so they will be able to receive it and they can even gift you back. So it's a easy process. Sometimes they can even demand different items and heroes that you can gift if you have. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.